You know when NPC patrol routes eat your whole afternoon? Simple Waypoint system turns that chaos into a clean visual path setup. You get Bezier-based paths, branching waypoints, and smooth camera moves without writing state machine glue. Drop a path in, adjust handles, and your characters or vehicles start moving the way you imagined. The Scene View preview lets you tweak speeds and trigger events exactly when you want. Minutes, not days, before your NPCs look smart. Over 500 creators rated it a perfect 5. Reviews say it replaced clunky custom movement code in one sitting. It's a path system, not a full obstacle avoidance AI. If characters need to dodge walls, add a local avoidance layer, and you're set. It's on sale for $7.50 today, which is a silly price for the time it puts back in your schedule. Grab it before the deal flips. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Shaders make a game feel alive, but building them from scratch is a rabbit hole. All-in-one Shader Nodes hands you a box of polished effects, so you skip the node wrangling. Pick an effect, plug in textures, and tweak sliders for dissolve, hologram, color shifts, and more. Because it's node-based, you get a premium look without writing raw shader code. Prototypes suddenly feel much closer to final. The consistency wins too. Copy a base setup across materials, adjust one property, and everything stays in sync. That's a fast visual upgrade for your whole scene. 425 creators gave it 5 stars, and the buzz is about shader tasks finishing in minutes instead of afternoons. It's node-based, so ultra-specific GPU tricks may still need manual shader graph work. But the presets cover enough that you'll only dive deeper for one-off style experiments. At $22.48, it costs a fraction of a single custom shader job. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one effect. Check it out on Mighty Asset Deals. You can't fix performance if you can't see it. Advanced FPS Counter puts all the important stats on screen, so you know whether your latest tweak helped or hurt. It goes beyond a simple frame counter, with frame time, memory, and other useful diagnostics in a clean, customizable display. One glance at your overlay and you'll spot trouble before it reaches your players. Setup is laughably easy. Add the prefab, pick a spot on screen, and your stats are live. No complicated boot order or scene surgery, just pure optimization feedback. 339 people gave it 5 stars, and the reviews are full of devs calling it a must-have for performance tuning. That's a solid crowd. It's a display tool, not a full profiler. For exact CPU bottlenecks, follow up with Unity's profiler, but use this as your first alert system. At $5, this little tool is basically free. That's less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, and it could save you from shipping a stuttery game. Grab it from the link. Every Unity project turns into a digital junk drawer. Asset Inventory 4 gives you an at-a-glance map of what's inside, so you can find and clean without dread. It scans your project and turns hours of searching into instant, searchable results. Spot unused textures, heavy assets, and duplicates before they wreck your build size, like a health report for your project. Because it lives inside the editor, you can act right away instead of exporting lists elsewhere. That workflow turns a messy folder into a tidy project. 190 reviews and a strong 4.8 average. Developers say it changes how they clean up messes, and that loyalty is rare. The first scan on a huge project can take a moment. Let it run once, and the organized view saves more time than the scan costs. At $29.50, if one client project uses it to avoid a bloated build, it's paid for itself 100 times over. Clear the clutter and grab it from the link. Birds are a tiny detail that makes outdoor scenes feel alive, but animating a flock by hand is a nightmare. This bundle hands you ready-to-fly birds and a smart flocking system. The flocking behavior makes the birds separate, align, and glide together naturally. It's not a canned animation loop, it's a living system that reacts to speed and group size. Content volume is huge. Multiple species plus a complete URP setup means you're not stitching together materials and render features just to get one pigeon airborne. 198 ratings, all 5 stars, and the common thread is that it saves people from writing their own flocking math from scratch. It's built for URP, so built-in or HDRP users may need a quick material conversion. For URP users, it's the drop-in experience you want. At $49.50, that's just a few dollars per species, and the flocking brainpower is free. Soar to the link and make your skies feel alive. Mobile controls can make or break a game. Ultimate Joystick gives you a smooth, responsive virtual stick that feels solid in your thumb's hands. It supports dynamic positioning, so players can touch anywhere on screen and instantly guide their character. You can adjust radius, dead zone, colors, and labels from the inspector. No shader work required. Because it's built on Unity UI, wiring it into your player input is painless. Drag in the prefab, connect the vector, and your touch controls feel tight and responsive. 188 reviews and a perfect 5-star score. Players notice the difference, and so do developers who hated rolling their own joystick math. It's a joystick, not a full gesture system. If you need swipe or pinch recognition, you'll still need a companion input asset, but for classic movement, this nails it. At $5, treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut today. That's the cost of a coffee, and it makes your game feel far more professional. Tap the link and treat your project. Buff effects are the polish layer that makes abilities feel powerful. Game VFX Buff Collection packs 10 ready-to-use particle effects, so you skip the whole weekend of making them yourself. Each effect is a prefab that you can resize, rotate, and drop onto your characters. Because they use Unity's particle system, they're easy to tweak and quick to adapt, which means your combat feedback gets flashy fast. They're built for URP, but also work in built-in and HDRP, so your pipeline choice won't stop the sparks. The collection is perfect for adding buffs, auras, and power-up vibes without extra rigging. It's a fresh release with no reviews yet, so you're an early explorer. The package preview shows exactly what's inside, and the low price makes it a safe experiment. No character models are included, just the VFX. Attach these prefabs to your own units, and you're ready. Nothing else needed. At $3, that's 30 cents per effect, which is an absurd deal. Grab the buff collection before the button goes cold. Building an RPG character controller from scratch means fighting physics, camera, and animations all at once. This asset gives you a solid foundation so you can focus on quests, not quaternion math. You get responsive movement, camera follow, and animation integration right out of the box. The inspector exposes speed, acceleration, jump, and ground check values, so tuning your hero feels easy and direct. Animation transitions are handled smartly too. You wire your animator parameters once, and the controller drives the blends without you handcrafting a state machine jungle. 161 5-star reviews. And the vibe is that character setup turns into a half-hour job instead of a 2-week sprint. That's a huge vote of confidence. It's designed for classic RPG movement, so if you need wall running or ladders, you'll add those extras yourself. For over-the-shoulder adventures, it's a super solid launch pad. For $17.50, you skip an enormous chunk of gameplay code. That's the kind of shortcut that lets you ship faster. So check it out on Mighty Asset Deals. Multiplayer games live and die by how smoothly remote players move. Smooth Sync fixes jittery character interpolation so everyone looks buttery even on so-so connections. It specializes in syncing transforms and rigid bodies with interpolation methods that stop the teleporting. You plug it into the objects you need synced, and remote players stop glitching around the map. Setup is intentionally simple. Add the component, define snap settings, and let the asset handle timing math. That means a multiplayer prototype can come together in a weekend instead of a month. 150 ratings with a perfect 5-star average. Developers say it stabilized their network code without a painful learning curve, which is exactly what you want. It's focused on transform sync, so complex custom messages still need your own networking layer. Use it with your existing transport and you've got a solid online foundation. At $7.50, it's a fraction of what a contractor charges for one network debugging session. Smooth out your multiplayer and link up with this deal today. A beautiful environment sets the stage for everything else, and ToonScapes Spring Isles is a complete world-building kit. You get nature assets, architecture, and demo scenes. With 371 unique meshes and over 540 prefabs, this pack covers cliffs, stones, vegetation, and an Asian-themed building kit. Custom toon shaders add wind sway, leaf jitter, and light reactive clouds so the world breathes. 3 demo scenes show sunny and nighttime moods with post-processing. Terrain, water, and stone shaders handle height blending and edge wear, so very little extra work is needed before your world looks finished. It's a fresh release with 2 ratings so far, and both are 5 stars. Early explorers love the styling, so jump in while it's a hidden gem. The terrain shader supports 4 layers at a time, so keep terrain materials lean. Need more variety? Split into multiple terrain tiles and it's a non-issue. At $28.50, that's less than 5 cents per prefab, and the time you save building an entire biome is enormous. Treat yourself, and that is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.